Just in time for the Tomica Lamborghini Aventador SVJ purchase at Tomica shop in Tokyo Station. I arrived at Tomica shop later than I expected, and I hope I can get the Aventador first color release. Due to the partial disruption of the Yamanote line, today in Tokyo, you can see plenty of Delica and Lamborghini regular release, and I was informed by the staff that the first color was kept at the counter, which is great. This pair of Ferrari Dino is also the latest release from TLV, and I can't wait to unbox it back home. Except for the commemorative colors, there are plenty of Tomica premium casting here in Tomica shop. Among the popular casting is definitely the Ferrari, the Super Silhouette, and also the Nissan Fairlady Z. You can also find the Tomica Premium 5th Anniversary Nissan Skyline set, which is limited to 3 per purchase. The Premium RS in 1:43 scale, and also the popular F40 Ferrari, which you can't find the commemorative color anymore now. Wide range of Tomica shop exclusive, and if this is your first time visit, this is definitely a must get, as it's exclusive only at this shop in Japan, with the latest being the RX-7 in yellow, and also the Lamborghini Murcielago in Fire Chief Deco. Nice to see the WRX Police and also the GTR, which I seen last year and they are still producing it, and that's great. You can also find the Honda Civic Type R here, exclusive to Tomica shop. The mainline Nissan GTR 50th Anniversary set. The Ferrari 4-car set exclusive to Japan market. And also the auto service play set exclusive to Japan. A wide range of Tomica 4D series with sound, and also a very wide range of Tomica Mainline inside Tomica shop. This Tomica shop is a must-come for collector, regardless it's your first time or subsequent visit like me. However, the disadvantage is, the first color are very hard to find out in Tomica shop, especially in Tokyo. Hunting for Tomica has become very competitive, and first color is getting harder and harder to find over the years. But for the experience and also for the Tomica shop exclusive, this shop is definitely worthwhile to visit. claw machine for the smaller box novelty Tomica in plastic. Also a wide range of TLV with the Ferrari casting, which is a Japan exclusive. Hence, if you are a TLV collector, the Ferrari is very worthwhile to buy it here. That sums up my visit to Tomica Shop Tokyo Station, and I'm happy to get myself the first color release Lamborghini Aventador SVJ as well. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!